Hello everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Well, monsoon season is here and during rainy days, we crave for a hot cup of tea along with some yummy tea time snacks. So in today's video, we are going to see how to make crispy corn pakoras, which will be very delicious and are great to enjoy as tea time or evening snacks. So friends, let's get started with this interesting recipe. And here I have taken around 1 cup of frozen sweet corns, which I will transfer into a mixing bowl. Next goes some chopped onions, some chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, 1 teaspoon of red chilli flakes. If you don't have, you can add red chilli powder also. Then this is garlic bread seasoning, which has got dried garlic and mixed herbs, adding a teaspoon of it. For binding goes 3 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoons of rice flour. This will make the pakoras crisp, and some salt as per taste. We'll mix this once so that all the seasonings and ingredients are combined. And now into this we will add water bit by bit and mix them so that they form a batter of thick consistency in a way that the batter sticks well with the corns. Finally, we'll add a teaspoon of vegetable oil. We'll mix this well again. And our mixture to make corn pakoras is ready. And as you can see, I've already heated sufficient oil in a white pan. And when the oil is hot, we will add the corn mixture in small portions, leaving some gap in between so that they don't stick to each other. Keep the flame on medium. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, we will flip the corn pakoras one by one and we'll fry them until they turn deep golden brown from both the sides. And by now our corn pakoras are ready, crisp and deep golden brown from both the sides. So I will take them off and arrange them for serving. And here goes our delicious crispy corn pakoras on the serving plate, which you can enjoy with tomato chili sauce or a spicy green chutney. So friends, do try this crispy corn pakora recipe during this monsoon season and enjoy these yummy tea time snacks with your loved ones. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.